Hi guys, Steph here. Today we've got for you a gorgeous, handsome fountain pen and pencil set. Very nice indeed. You would have seen it here. There you go. You can see just a brief glimpse of it. The pen needs to be serviced, etc. And after servicing, here's the pen and pencil in question. Yes, a Parker fountain pen and pencil set. In this case here, it's an oldish case. Whether it's the original Vacuumatic case, I'm not 100% sure. Doesn't matter. Helps to keep the pens nice and safe, nice and clean, etc. So, not a problem with the case there. First of all, well, what we've got for you here, nice and simple, is a Parker Vacumatic Standard lockdown filler with a pencil, a matching pencil. So there's the pencil itself, beautiful condition. If we show you the barrel imprint there, not sure if that's the right way, is it? But we've got Parker Vacumatic imprint. It says made in Canada, in gorgeous condition, as you can see there. 3 cap bands, Parker arrow clip, absolutely gorgeous. And then we've got the fountain pen. Look at this handsome beauty. As I said, we've got for you a Parker Vacumatic. This is the standard model. As we said, it's a lockdown, which we'll show you in a moment. In beautiful, beautiful condition. The size of this pen, capped, 131 millimeters capped. Around the barrel, it's a gorgeous 12 millimeters in diameter. If we show you the barrel imprint, which is there, from the left it reads made in Canada, then it's got Vacuumatic to the center, to the right it's got patent number 318982. Below Vacuumatic it's got registered trademark, and then just below that I think it says other patent pending. And then to the right there, I don't know if you can see it, we've got the number 35. Now the fact that it's got the number 35, nice and simple, I'm dating the pen 1935 because the first generation lockdown fillers were from 1932 approximately to around about approximately 1937. So the 1935 fits nicely in between. But a absolutely stunning example. You can see we've got the 3 cap bands there. The very recognizable clip, Parker clip there. We've got in fact I think it's also got a trademark to the top of the clip there somewhere. To the very top we've got the peaked jewel there, which matches the bottom of the pen there, slightly peaked as well. But a stunning example. I've actually took it apart, we've cleaned everything internally, we've put a new diaphragm in the fountain pen, and it's ready to go. It's ready to find a new home. Somebody is going to be very, very lucky. Now, the standard lockdown fillers of that period in this black colour, I believe they brought out, I think there was about 4 variations. There was an opaque black, just a standard black one if you like. One that they termed as a transparent window or crystal, so I'm assuming it was just plain transparent. There was also a slotted black, no, sorry, the third one was a slotted black windowed version. So I think it had slots running down the length of the pen. Now this one, I don't know if you can see it, is the laminated transparent black version in this gorgeous laminated celluloid. Now let's just try and show you, how clear this particular barrel is. So as you can see there, now it's been cleaned, it's got lovely transparency to the barrel there itself. You can see the breather tube inside there, and if we undo the lockdown filler there and press down, there you go, you can see the diaphragm moving inside there. So a lovely example, and as you can see, lovely, clear, clean barrel. Okay, so there you go. As you can see, it's gorgeous, lovely, and clean and transparent. Let's give you a few variations. Okay, now I was umming and ahhing whether to actually keep this particular one in my own collection, but I may still do, I don't know. As I say, at the moment, yeah, it'll be looking for a new home. But let's first of all go down to the lockdown filler. As I said, it's the first generation lockdown filler, which means that if we just simply turn this, it pulls out, and we just simply press it numerous times to fill the pen with ink. Once we've done that, we simply squeeze it all the way down, give it a slight turn, and that allows it to have a rather short blind cap. So that's what we term as a lockdown filler. As I said, the lockdown was the first generation, and as we mentioned before, from 1932 through to around about 1938. Let's take you up to the section. Quite a simple plain section there, slightly concaved, flares out towards the nib, and then we've got this lovely, quite a large nib, which is a Parker Vacumatic 14 carat. Then it has registered trademark, made in Canada, and I don't know if you can see it, it may be in the section. It's got a letter G down at the bottom, which I'm not 100% what that is. So once again, anybody knows, leave a comment below. But you can see it's what we term as the two-tone arrow clip, arrow nib. Okay, so there we go. Let's give you another little view of it like so. And I don't know if you can actually see, this one's got a lovely left-handed, it's a left-handed oblique nib. Very nice indeed. There's a sideways view. There's the ladder feed underneath. And as always, lovely and clean. Everything internally gets cleaned as it should be, in my opinion. So there we have it. A very handsome pen. Quite a large pen as well. A lovely chunky size with my large hands. It feels very comfortable indeed. Now, because we're going to find a new home, because we've cleaned everything internally, and as you saw before, how clean everything is, I'm not going to fill the pen. I'm going to leave that pleasure, whether somebody fills it or just simply displays the pen, up to them. So what we'll do, let's take the lid off the ink first of all. Let's just do a writing sample just to see how the pen writes. So what we've got is a Parker Vacumatic and this is the standard lockdown filler. Dating it, well, as you saw before, nice and easy, 1935. Now, although it's got the 35 date number, it could be the third quarter of 1935, or it could just simply be, as we've stated, 1935. So I'll leave that for you people to decide, but writing very nicely indeed. A lovely, lovely writer. And again, you can see the oblique nib is giving a nice sort of variation in the line. Okay, but a lovely, lovely writer indeed. Let's give it a wipe. So what we'll do, we'll swill it out, clean it after the video, ready for somebody to enjoy this lovely fountain pen and pencil set. As we've said, the Parker Vacumatic Standard lockdown filler in beautiful, beautiful condition. So I hope you've enjoyed looking at these as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Don't forget, don't be shy, leave a comment below, subscribe to the channel as well, why not? Don't forget, just down there, press that thumbs up, give the video a thumbs up if you will. But for now, I'm going to say Slavo Ukraini from me and this gorgeous, handsome set. I'm just going to say bye-bye for now.